All right, coming back to our course model here, let's put in the relationships that we expect. The first is we want to relate courses to authors. So public function author, return this belongs to user because the author is a user class, and we want to bind that to user ID. Because by default, if we set user, then Laravel would not need us to put this because it will take whatever the relationship is and add the ID to it, and we'll know that, well, it will be looking for a user ID in the courses model. But in this case, because we are calling it author, we have to explicitly tell Laravel which field to use to evaluate the relationship. We also want a relationship with categories, okay? So public function category, and we say this, it returns belongs to category class. Again, we don't need to specify category ID here because it knows from the name of the function or the relationship. Then public function subcategory. Return this belongs to category class. Let's go over to the respective models and put the inverse of these relationships. So in the categories, we need to specify the relationship to the courses. So public function courses. So a category can have many courses, okay? Also in the user model, we need to specify the courses that the user is teaching. So public function courses, so return this has many course class, okay? So those are the relationships between the users, categories, and courses. It's all wired up and we are ready to actually start implementing the creation of the course in the database. So that will be done in the next lesson.